Hello! In this video, we will go over how to make a payment for a student as an authorized user, such as a parent or guardian, or as a guest user. This video is best for parents, guardians, and or other individuals who have been granted access to a student's information, or for anyone who needs to make a payment but has not been granted access and knows the amount that they want to pay. In this video, I will go over how to log in as an authorized user, how to make a payment as an authorized user, and how to make a payment as a guest payer, a non-authorized user. To begin, go to my.sandiego.edu. Then refer to the My USD Student login link that's under the Authorized Users section and click on that link. After clicking the My USD Student login link, this page will appear. To have access to this login page, your student must have already granted you access via FERPA on their portal. This is the screen for authorized users to log in and review student information that their student has already approved for viewing. If you've already been authorized on FERPA, type in your email address and PIN. The PIN created must be a minimum of 6 digits and a maximum of 9 digits. After logging in successfully, you will see this screen. If you have not yet done so, make sure to fill out your personal profile as it helps us to verify your identity over the phone or in person. Next, click on the Student Name tab at the top. After clicking on the student's name, you will see a list of what you are authorized to have access to. Your student must have selected specific authorizations on their portal under FERPA for this to appear. If you do not see student accounts, this means your student has not authorized you to have access to student account information. If you do have access, click on the Billing and Payments -CashNet link to move forward. If the link does not open a new window, make sure to disable all pop-up blockers and or ad block on your computer. Once you click on the Billing and Payments CashNet link, a new window will open and appear like this. This is your My Online Student account. From this account, you can do a variety of tasks like reviewing your billing statements, making payments, enrolling in payment plans, and enrolling in direct deposit. Today, I will go over how to make a payment via this My Online Student account. Your current account balance will be on the top right of the page. To make your payment, click on Make a Payment at the bottom right or Make a Payment on the left side navigation. After clicking Make a Payment, this is the page that will appear. Click on the Student Account Payment box to continue. After you click on the Student Account Payment box, you will see the following appear on the right. Your balance will appear in this section. You can change the amount under the Amount section if needed. Once the amount is correct that you would like to pay, click Add to Payment. Please note, if you happen to be paying towards your account for a summer or intercession class you're not yet registered for, you can delete $0 and add the amount of the class to add a credit to your account so that we can register you. After clicking Add to Payment, you will see the amount under Student Account Payment. Click Continue at the bottom right to move forward with the payment. After clicking Continue, you will see the amount you want to pay again, and options for payment methods. You can select from previously saved account methods that you may already have on file, or you can add a new bank account. Select an option and then click Continue. If you select a new payment method, you will need to input the payment information, which includes the account type, routing transit number, and bank account number. Please note, the only payment method that is accepted via the portal is through a checking or savings account. We do not accept credit or debit card payments. On the next page, you will have to verify all of your account info is correct. Once you verify that everything looks correct, click Pay at the bottom of the page. Once you click Pay, you will get a confirmation on your screen as well as a confirmation email. Your payment should also appear on your recent activity the following day. If you have additional questions about why your balance is a certain amount, we recommend you view your billing statement and recent activity. To review the billing statement from the main overview page, click on View Statements at the top right. You can also access it by clicking on Statements on the left side navigation. After clicking Statements, you will be brought to the list of billing statements that have been issued on your account. Click the icon under the View column to view the statement. You can also click on Recent Activity, transactions posted after last statement, to see any activity on your account that has happened since your last billing statement. This may also include any recent payments that you have made. If a student has not given you access via FERPA, but you will still need to make a payment to their account, you can do so online via the Guest Payer option. Note that this option does not show you anything about the account, so you will need to manually type in how much you want to pay. You will need to know the student ID number and the last name in order to make the payment. To access the Guest Payer link, go to sandiego.edu/1-stop. Click on Billing and Payment, then click on Payment Methods, and then click on How to Pay. You will see under the Online column a link for Guest Payer. Click on that link to continue. After clicking Guest Payer, you will be brought to a screen like this. Type in the student ID and last name of the student and click Log In. After clicking Log In, you can click on Student Account Payment. From this page, type in the amount you want to pay. As a reminder, you must know the amount you want to pay when you pay as a guest payer. You cannot view any student account information. Click Continue after typing in the amount you would like to pay. Next, review the amount you typed in and then click Checkout. You will then have to type in your bank account information. Please note, we only accept payment through a checking or savings account and cannot accept debit or credit card payments. After typing in all of your information, click Continue to check out. After clicking Continue, you will be brought to this page where you can verify your information. After verifying, click Submit Payment, and that's it. An email confirmation should be sent, and the payment will appear on the student's account the following day. The One Stop Student Center is available for assistance with financial aid, billing and payments, and student records questions. Many resources can be found on our website at sandiego.edu/one-stop. You can also reach out to us with questions at 619-260-2700 or onestop@sandiego.edu. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.